Hello, in this CSS crash course video, we're going to be looking at transitions. So when we do something like hover over an element and then we affect it, like we could change the font size. In this video, we're going to hover over a div that we'll create in a moment. We'll change the font size, we'll change its color, but that would usually just happen immediately. There will be no transition, and usually having some sort of transition which looks like an animation just makes it feel more interactive. It makes it feel more warm, more comforting. It just provides a better experience to the user instead of just abruptly changing, especially when there's a lot of animation going on, which a lot of websites do have animation going on, whether the hover states, changing the font size, the color, even background images, that sort of stuff. So what we're going to do is first create a div. As usual, though I'm doing it to a div, I'm sure you'll be able to adapt these skills to classes, IDs, attribute selectors, that sort of stuff in CSS. So in here, I'm going to put let's do some hovering. Save that. Let's go to our web page, refresh. So that's what we got at the moment. It doesn't do anything. We'll go to the index.css file, and I'm going to put div colon hover. So when we hover over it, we're going to change the font size to 2em. We're going to change the color to red. So if we save that, refresh, if we hover over it, it immediately changes. Like I said, it's quite abrupt, especially when the font size changes, and it changes quite drastically. To add a transition is very simple. You just put transition colon font dash size 2s, and the 2s, I think you can guess what that means. It just means 2 seconds. So what it's saying is the font size change, do it over 2 seconds, put comma, then next attribute or property that you want to transition. So this is going to be color now. I'm going to put 1s. So you don't have to apply transition to every single different change. It's up to you. If I refresh, go over it, as you can see, it looks a lot nicer, which is really, really cool. So if you have any questions regarding transitions or anything CSS web development related, feel free to post them on my education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk, or communicate with me however you see fit. All of the source code from this video and every other video in this series will be on the GitHub page, which there'll be a resource link. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.